So hello friends, welcome to my channel Jobonimus, and in today's video I am going to discuss with you a permanent work from home opportunity in Reliance where freshers as well as experienced candidates can apply. So in this video we are going to be talking about eligibility, how to apply and the interview related questions and answers, and I am also going to tell you about one more permanent work from home job opening as a bonus job opening. So be there in the video till the end, and in case you are new to my channel, consider subscribing it and please do like my videos to support my channel. So friends, today I just wanted to tell you that I got vaccinated yesterday and I am feeling a bit low from the side effects. I have fever at the moment. So if my energy is a bit low today, please excuse me for that. So regarding this first job role in Reliance Jio, it is for 12th pass as well as graduates. You need to have good communication skills in English, both written and verbal, and maximum age that you can apply is 40 years old. And of course, you need to be able to do work from home in the sense that you should have equipments to do work from home like an Android phone, good internet connection, and they would expect also a laptop or desktop. Role is simple. You will be responsible for attending calls and providing information as requested by the callers of Reliance Jio. So that you have to do as in any other company. And round one will be telephonic, which will be just an introduction to gauge your communication skills. Round two, sometimes they take online tests to check your English grammar and essay writing. And round three can be the HR and manager round. Now I'll show you some of the questions that this company usually can ask. So first of all, of course, they will ask you to introduce yourself or tell me about yourself. Then why do you want to join Reliance Jio? So you can say that Jio is a leading telecommunications company in India with maximum customers at this time, and it's expanding exponentially. So there are some great chances of learning and growth. So as you must be knowing that from the last 2 to 3 years, Reliance Jio has almost taken all the market of telecommunications and it is growing exponentially. So this you can say for why Reliance, and for why this role, again you can talk about your communication skills, that you have good communication skills, you have good interpersonal skills. So these kind of skills you can talk, problem solving skills. So whatever skills are required in customer care role, you can talk and give a real life example. Then they can ask you what do you know about Reliance Jio. So that of course you can read from Google, but I would just like to tell you what you should highlight. Just tell them about the company type, that it is a telecommunications company, and key people of the company. So key people are Atul Kansal is the current CEO of the company, and it was founded by uh, Mukesh Ambani in 2007 in Ahmedabad, but currently its office is located in Mumbai, and it is growing as the fastest telecommunication company. So you can talk about these things. You can also talk about the competitors of Reliance Jio like Vodafone, Airtel. These are the competitors. Then there is a very important question I wanted to tell you. They usually ask this question in many times in the interview. Describe your most happy emotions in your own words. So it is just to gauge your communication skills, but it has been seen that this question has been asked quite often. So if you can prepare this accordingly before applying, then it would be great for you. So happy emotions, you can talk about anything like something that happened in your college. You got excellent result, you got first in college in some semester. So any of such thing you can talk about. So these can be the things that you can discuss. Otherwise, from your personal life also you can discuss anything, uh, like if you got married on some day. So any happy emotion you can talk about. Then the bonus job role that I want to discuss with you today is for online associate. Again, this is also a permanent work from home job role, and it also gives you the flexibility to work as per your own timings. So it can be done part time as well as on full time basis. And this will be for company India Mart, which is one of the biggest B2B companies in India. So here you will have to assist India Mart's buyers over call. You will be required to verify information from the buyer and update the same on the portal. So it is not a target based sales process job, which is a great thing because I know many people are not interested in target types of job. So it is neither customer support also, it is online associate. You will have to enter or change, edit the information of the buyers on the portal of India Mart. So they will tell you how to enter this information and how to work on India Mart's portal. So it is pretty simple job role. So this you can do and you can earn up to 20,000 rupees per month for this, and they will give you a weekly payout also. And in addition to that, they will also give you some performance incentives in case you really perform well, but that is not based on the target. So no targets will be given to you. So this is a great thing about this job role. Then, but they would want certain documents for this. Firstly, there is address proof, Aadhaar card, ID proof, PAN card. Then bank details would be required, a cancelled check, a bank statement, or a passbook. And in case you are a handicapped candidate, then that certificate may be required, and passport size photograph is also required. Now, regarding the interview questions, it will be pretty simple interview, and any 18 plus candidate can apply for this role anywhere from India. So first they can again ask you, introduce yourself, why you want to join India Mart. So you can say that it is one of the largest company in its niche of B2B supplier, and it is a very trustworthy company and has a good brand name. Then why this role? So here I will tell you to talk about your strengths related to this role, as well as that you have time to do this job and you need this job, because company here sometimes is skeptical whether you would do this job for a long term or not, or you will be able to give time to this job or not, especially if you are already employed. So in case you are already employed, then you need to show them that you have time and you also need to do this job because your condition is such that you need extra money. So these are the things you can show. Then they can ask you, what do you know about India Mart subscription plan? So they have three types of plans: a monthly plan which is for rupees 3,000, annual plan rupees 28,500, and multi-year plan for rupees 75,000. So this is for their buyers. So this much you should be aware of. Rest you can go to their website. Now I'll show you how you can apply for these roles. So first of all, this India Mart job role, this has been floated on LinkedIn, but this is a form that you will have to fill. It is a Google form. So email name you can fill easily. Only Gmail ID is accepted, so please take care of that. Mobile number you can fill. Age you can select 19 to 30. They have written less than 18 also, but I'm not sure whether they will allow or not. Select your gender, male or female. What describes you best? So here you can see unmarried, married, with children, no children, this kind of thing they are also asking because they want to check how much time you can give. What is your highest qualification? So again you can write 12th pass, pursuing graduation, this. So below 12th pass is not there, so that means at least you have to be 12th pass to apply. Are you physically handicapped? Yes, no. So yes, if you write yes, then you need to show the certificate. And then do you have PAN card? Here you have to write yes only, or in process, but if you say no, they may not entertain you. Bank account, yes. Do you have laptop or desktop along with webcam? That you should have. And I don't know, if you write I don't have, what they will do, maybe they will give you at a certain cost. What type of internet connection do you have? So you can write accordingly. Enter the city from which you want to work. So these cities are mentioned, all big cities are there, but in case you are not from this city, you can even write others, and if they are okay, they will select it. Then you have to select the languages that you are proficient in, so at least two. So I'm sure English you must be knowing all of them, and rest Hindi or Tamil, any of these language you should be knowing. And in case you even don't know English, then any other two languages will do. Are you comfortable working in non-sales voice-based role? Yes. And how did you get to know about this program? So here you can write anything. So since you are watching it on YouTube channel, so you can write other, and you can write YouTube channel. Okay. So this you can write, and then They will ask you mention NGO or organization through which you came to know about the program. So you can write about my company name only, Jobonimus Enterprises, or whatever you feel. Mention the online hiring platform where you applied from. So here mention LinkedIn, because this link has been taken from LinkedIn. I'll show you. So I took this link from here. This job has been floated here. And then in case you are referred for this program, kindly mention associate ID. So here that is not required, and then just submit, and then they will get in touch with you for the first round, which will be online India Mart aptitude test. So there will be aptitude test. So some questions will be there related to English, logical reasoning, these kind of questions. Then video assessment round will be there. So there they can ask you these type of interview questions that I told you. Next, I told you about this Reliance Industries role, hiring for customer support advisor. So this is a permanent work from home job, permanent WFH. You can see salary is around 22,000, which is not bad, and 0 to 1 year experience, 1.5 to 2.5. These cities they have written you should be in these cities, but they have again written that if you are from other non-metro cities also, you can try applying. So this you can do, and in case you are not from these cities, then there is a similar type of rule for Mumbai location also. So that also link I'll give you in the description box. You can apply to that accordingly. So friends, this was about these work from home openings. So I'm sure it would have been useful for you. So please do like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll keep coming up with more such videos. So I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.